Gravity is a natural phenomenon by which all things with mass are brought towards each other. If there was no gravity to keep things together, the universe would be just dust all over the place. It's very important so that everything we know is the way it is. For example, that the Earth attracts you as you attract it. But due to the huge mass the Earth has, you don't change its motion by your attraction. The moon also slightly attracts the oceans, producing the tides. The Earth travels around the sun due to gravity. So now you see that gravity has a huge influence on our everyday life. Even if the force of gravity plays such an important role in everything, it is by far the weakest force of the four fundamental forces. As Einstein said, gravity can be understood as bending of space and time, where masses bend that shape. The formula for gravity is: the force of gravity is equal to capital G times m1 times m2 all over d squared, in which g is the gravitational constant, m1 is m number 1, and m2 is the mass number 2. D is considered the distance between two masses. In Earth's case, Fg equals 9.81. However, the higher you are, the further you are from Earth's core, and therefore less gravity is acting on you. In outer space, the Earth still attracts you, and you attract the Earth. But this acceleration is negligible. Now maybe you're asking yourself, what would happen if gravity was stronger or weaker? Well, just let's consider that. If the gravitational constant was half its usual size, therefore the acceleration was 4.9 meters per second squared, people on Earth would probably be taller and thinner than usual. And because the Earth would orbit further away from the Sun, years would be longer and the Earth would get colder. Maybe even sports would be easier than usual. Just consider jumping and it takes a long time to come down again. If you would throw a ball, it would go way further than normal. Now let's think about what would happen if gravity is stronger than usual. Things would be falling faster because they're more attracted to the ground. If you drop something or something falls down, maybe from a tree, it would reach the ground way faster. It would also have a stronger impact on the ground because of the higher velocity it falls with. We also have to consider other catastrophic consequences. There are also way more facts we haven't even considered yet. Those are probably the more important ones because they have changed behavior following the different gravity on Earth. Imagine a different point of melting for ice or boiling for water. Maybe life wouldn't even be possible, or at least way different, if gravity changed. Now let's look at gravity, how it is in our usual day-to-day life. Our normal year has 365 days, and our average temperature on the whole Earth is 15 degrees Celsius. So let's just say for a moment, gravity, we just like you how you are. We don't want you to change. And remember, everything that goes up must come down.